we are starting lesson number 3, that is input and output devices. So let's start. Introduction. We know that computer interact with the user because user using the computer and doing it his work, and also required data and instruction are provided by the user. Whatever data and instruction, it is provided by the user, and we require result from the computer. After processing that data, computer making results or required results from the computer. Data and input considered as an input. Whatever data and input is given to the computer, that is called say input. Computer providing results, that are called output. Whatever input data given to the computer, after processing that data, that computer provides the output, that is called output, and result also. The devices are used giving input and output are called input and output devices. Say it is called in a short form we can IO devices, that is called input and output devices. It communicative devices between user and computer. This is a without input and output devices we can't use the computer also. Okay, now input devices provided input to the computer. You all know the whatever input is given to the computer, that is by only input devices. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Most popular input devices are keyboard and mouse. Press key on the keyboard and click from the mouse sends input signal to the computer. Whatever user press the key from the keyboard and click from the mouse, that data and instruction signals go to the computer as an input. Now here is the list of devices that is our use. Say keyboard, then pointing and draw, scanning, electronic card based, speech recognition, and vision based. Let us about all devices one by one. Now keyboard. See, most popular and common, you all know, English alphabets are there, A to Z, small and capital, and digits from 0 to 9, and functions keys. Here is a function keys are given F1 to F12. Other than these keys, enter, spacebar, backspace, delete, shift are keys appear on the keyboard, and also caps lock key, tab, control buttons, say alt keys, escape keys are on the keyboard. Now point and draw devices. Now instead of typing, items can be selected directly to computer screen. See what user can do, he or she cannot type from the keyboard, just directly give the input from some devices. Say like print and close, like a mouse, and it is called graphical interface. What it is called? Graphical interface, directly taking input by the computer. It is not used for selecting but also draw a line and curve. It is not used for only selection purpose or something. It can be draw a line, draw a curve like that. Now here is the example of the point and draw devices: joystick, light pen, touchpad, trackball. You can watch picture also here I have given here. Say here is a trackball, joystick, that is a use for purpose of playing games. Trackpad, that is used in laptops. Digitizer, tablet, and pen is used for pointing. Track points, that is all pointing and draw devices. Now mouse. Now it is a pointer like on the screen that you are watching, this yellow filled slanting arrow. Where we want to click or select, we have to keep the mouse pointer there. Whenever you want to click, select, or any icon or any application, you have to keep the mouse pointer there. Select icon, give commands, and 2 or 3 buttons on the mouse. You always seen in the lab also there are 2 or 3 buttons are on the mouse. Say 3 buttons are, say, left, right, and scroll. And here is the what commands are given by these buttons: single click, double click, and drag and drop. Now joystick. The joystick is a vertical stick which moves graphic cursor in the direction. Say you are watching on the screen, the person is moving the say things on the screen by moving this joystick. It has buttons on the top to select option pointed by the cursor. Here is a given button, so person can say using to pointing the cursor also. It mainly used in playing video games, training and controlling robots. It is always, mostly it is used in say playing video game that you have most of you are playing, and training purpose, or say controlling robots also. Now scanning devices. Scanning devices, you just watching this picture given here besides. Scanning devices, it is a directly look at the input and enters the collected data. See here you have to put the document here and close this cap and give the command that directly that input goes in the say computer. No need for the keyboard. There is no need of the keyboard writing the document, typing the document. Only scan command given directly. You are just whatever scanner is attached with your PC, that command you have to give, so it scan accordingly. Saves time and typing errors. In this scanning devices we have say save your time and also typing errors. Image scanner is just like a copier machine. See, image scanner is also just like a copier machine. That image can be also scanned. This scanning devices. Documents are placed in the scan and stored in the computer. Whatever documents you have to place here, this is and this close this cap, and after giving scan, that document directly goes in the computer as an electronic copy. It creates the electronic copy, and we can say it is a digital copy. It is a digital copy that can be said. Now barcode readers. In supermarket we have seen some handheld scanners also used, and basically it is a given optical light on some image, lining image, that is called a barcode. It is basically used in a say scanning barcode and QR code. QR code means that quick recall code. Okay, so these linings are called barcode. These lining barcodes are called universal product code, UPC. Now it say whatever you lining watching here, that is called UPC, that is a universal product code. Say in these lines the details of the products is given already in the computer by this code. Now it reads the UPC format and convert it in an appropriate value. Whatever details given in this barcode, that is converted by the computer in an appropriate value. That is what is a item, what is a price, what is a date of manufacture, and who is a manufacturer, all these things. Now OCR and OMR also used for scanning proper output values. OCR means optical character reader, and OMR optical markup readers. These are also scanning devices. It is reading the characters, and it is reading markups. Okay. Now magnetic ink character recognition marker. See, magnetic ink character recognition marker technology is used in banking, because we are paying some money to person via bank, that is that document is called say check. Now it reading the numbers printed on the document. Whatever numbers is given on the check, that is a unique numbers, that is printed on the document. Say micro codes can read and easily understand by humans. These micro codes are easily, we can also read. It is a number set actually, 7 or 8 number set actually, so then human can easily understand. Now special magnetic ink used from iron oxide. See, special some magnetic ink is used to print this special characters on the check. So it is basically it is meant for that nobody can say give fact check or wrong check. Okay. Now, electronic card reader. Electronic card reader reads the content from a small plastic card called electronic card. Just you are watching on the screen, these person are scratching the card. Read data transferred to the computer. Whatever data is here is a magnetic field is given in a black portion. That data is occupied there, that read by the computer. Bank ATM cards, credit cards are the such cards contain the information about the card holder. In this black portion, the card holders details are given, information are given, that is used in the card for information purpose to input given data to the computers. Now transaction like bill, say purchase from shops, whenever we go to the shop and we don't have a hard currency or say money, that card can be used for the giving online payments. Now speech and vision devices. Speech and vision devices giving input for a long dictation. Just you are watching on the screen that this person is speaking something, and that codes are going in the mobile, that recognized by the device. Fully automatic operates on the speech. See, whenever we have some fully automatic machines that can be operated by this speech recognition devices. It's taking voice commands for doors, khulja sim sim like. Say, vision devices perform very risky tasks like driving plane, surgery. Many times doctors are not there, so whatever instruction given on the on the screen, that done by the this for the surgery purposes. Now it's mainly decoding and reading the voice and facial recognition also. See, these devices, vision and devices, it is mainly what they are doing, decoding and reading the voice and also the facial recognition whenever we unlock the mobile also. Say, deciphering of QR code. You have many times say scanning QR code. This QR code you have many times used in the gender actually. That called QR code. That is quick recall code. That is deciphering by this speech and vision devices. And deciphering may be done, always done by the say in a camera option. Now just we have seen input devices and number of input devices that is used by the user for giving input data to the computer as a data and instruction. Here is the output devices. Computer process the results from provided input by the user. Say whatever input given by the say user, that is a process in the computer and giving output. Now devices providing output called output devices. Whatever devices giving the output, that is called output devices. Commonly used devices are say monitor, printer, projector, plotter and voice response. Now monitor, most common output device and output presented on the computer visual like a television, visual screen, and it only used for viewing purpose. You just see the results. Okay. not for the say printed copy. The viewing output called soft copy or electronic copy, whatever document appear on this screen, that is called soft copy or electronic copy. CRT and flat monitors are used. Say flat monitors we are using nowadays, that is called LEDs and LCDs. Nowadays say monitors are flat, that is like a LCD and LED, liquid crystal display and light emitting diodes. Now the next one is that printers, the other say output device mainly used for the giving output. Printers are provided hard copy of the output on the paper. Just you are watching on the screen, here we put the paper and it is printing by the giving command from the computer as the soft copy appear on the screen. Now variety of the printer are available and print content a different way. See here you are using, this is an inkjet printer. The ink pot is fitted in the say in the printer, and here is a laser printer. The laser beam is fitted in the laser printer. Now the example of the printers are dot matrix printer, inkjet printers, that is inkjet printer, and laser printer. Here is a laser printer you are watching on the screen. The laser beam is used for the printing purpose. The commands is always given by from the computers only. Now projectors. Projectors give the mirror image of the laptop's computer screen in a large on white or curtain. See, it is like a mirror image. Whatever we are watching on the computer screen, that is just shown in the white screen or say curtain in a large scale. Say, output giving on the wall screen through a devices called projector. Whatever the small screen of the computer can be seen in the walls in a large way, that is called projector. The devices are used, that is called projector. Teaching can be made easy through like text, image, sound, graph and animation prepared in the computer shown in the projector. Whatever say computer screen is showing on the live, that live can be seen in the wall in a large picture, that is called projector. Here is some example of the projector.